Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change your streaming quality on Netflix. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, all you gotta do is first of all go ahead, access your browser of your phone. For us, we access the Safari one, and if you go ahead tap on this, you can see we have typed in www.netflix.com/your account. Simply go ahead, type in that and search it up. This will simply lead you to your accounts page. Make sure you're signed in on your Netflix on your browser, so it can lead to that. Now right over here you can find the details on top, your membership and billing, and if you scroll down a bit right over here you will find this option of a plan details just below. So the quality of your streaming on Netflix is depends on the streaming plan that you have taken. If you simply have the basic plan, so your quality will depend on that. So if you simply want to increase that, then you can simply go ahead, tap on this add streaming plan and can choose the standard one and can upgrade to that. Once you have done so, you will be able to start the membership accordingly, and you can have your quality increase for your streaming on Netflix shows as well. So those are the steps for you to do so. Make sure to choose a membership, upgrade wisely, and you will be good to go. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.